Have you ever thought about investing in real estate, but it feels like you don't have enough knowledge, money, or experience to start? The truth is, you can begin in real estate if you follow the right rules. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 simple but powerful rules that everyone can use to start building wealth through real estate, even when you start with nothing. My name is Francisco Muyanga. In this channel, I'm going to teach you about finance and business. And if you missed out our previous video, you'll get it around here. Like the video, let's jump into it. Rule number 1, start small. Most beginners make the mistake of thinking they need big properties, a lot of money, or a lot of houses to start. The reality is, start small. It could be a single family rental, a small apartment, or even a fix-upper. Starting small, it reduces your risk and it teaches you the basics and it makes the process less overwhelming. For example, imagine you buy a 50,000 fix-upper, you invest 10,000 in renovation, and then you rent it out. That property starts generating a positive cash flow every single month. That is your first win in real estate. Rule number 2, use financing wisely. Here's the secret that most successful investors know. You don't need to pay 100% cash to buy properties. Banks and lenders, they offer options that you can use other people's money to leverage. For example, with just 10% down on a 100,000 property, you are able to control the entire asset as it appreciates in value and generates rental income. You are growing wealth using borrowed money. But remember, financing is a tool. Use it wisely. Don't over leverage and make sure that the rental income, it covers the mortgage and the expense. Rule number 3, focus on your cash flow. When you just get started, it's too easy to get excited about appreciation. Buy today and sell tomorrow. But real estate is not a lottery ticket. Here is a quick formula. Cash flow is equal rent minus mortgage plus tax plus insurance plus maintenance. For example, if you rent a property for 1,500 and your monthly costs are 1,200, that is a 300 in pure profit every single month. Multiply that by 12 months, that is 3,600 per year from just only one property. The key to stability is cash flow. Money coming in every single month after paying all expenses. Rule number 4, do your due diligence. This is where most of beginners make mistakes. They rush into buying properties without checking details. For example, a property listed at 8,000 may look like cheap, but after inspection, you find 8,000 worth of hidden repairs and you find out that is not a good deal. Never assume if a house looks cheaper. Ask why. Maybe it needs a major repair that could drain your money. Rule number 5, think in long term. Real estate is not about getting rich overnight. It's about building long-term wealth. Properties appreciate in value over time. Rent increase with inflation, and every mortgage payment builds equity. If you hold on your 5, 10, or 20 years, even small properties can grow into a life-changing asset. For example, you buy a 100,000 property today In 10 years, it could be worth 150,000 or more. Plus, you have collected years of rental income along the way. That's how real wealth is created. If you found this add value, like the video, subscribe for more insightful videos, and don't forget to share with someone who dreams of financial freedom through real estate. Remember, it's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Start today.